guys, and welcome to today's video, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world. For today's look, we are creating this really beautiful halo spotlight light effect or eye. For today's video, I am using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. It has all these really gorgeous different types of shades, and you can create a lot of different things with it. So I've decided to just create this entire eye using this palette, and that's pretty much it. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. Okay you guys, so I've already prepped my face and my brows, and for my brows I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills soft brown powder duo. I'm trying out this new fluffy brow trend. Like I mentioned before, I have really big issues getting them to stand up. It's like I use waxes, I use soaps, I use brow gels, I use texturizing brow gels, and nothing is helping. So if you have a tip, just leave it down below. So I am using my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm using this all over my lid and up towards my brow bones and up towards the outer part of your face, because I know this is really good and it works really well with my skin, and it always makes my eyeshadow apply really beautifully. I'm sorry for my nails, by the way. I know they look horrible, but I am trying to make them just rest from all the building. You know, when you paint your nails at the salon, it really destroys the nails. Like seriously, have you seen this? Like look at it. They look horrible underneath. They're like really damaged. So I'm sorry for them looking like this, but you just have to deal. And just using some loose powder, I am setting my brow bone and like the upper part of my crease. And we are ready for some eyeshadow. And we're gonna start by using this color right here. And this is the Soothe Matte, and it is gonna be our crease color. I just want to blend this in using circular motions, going back and forth, and just really getting it in nicely in the crease. Now we're gonna deepen up the crease, and I'm gonna go into the color Ritual Sequin, which is this one right here, because it's really pretty and it's a little bit darker. I'm going in with a smaller brush, and I just want to deepen up my crease even more. I just made the biggest mistake. I didn't look up. I closed my eyes and I tried to do my crease like this, which means that I actually got eyeshadow all over my lid instead of getting it in the crease, which actually sucks. But I just wanted to give you the little tip that make sure that you actually look up when you do your crease, because if you have hooded eyes like me, you're not gonna see the fact that, oh yeah, I'm not getting into the crease, I'm actually getting on top of it. So okay, switching it up to the brush I used before for my crease, and I'm just blending this in using circular motions and really getting in there to just make this look really seamless and really pretty. Oops. Oh, I really want to try this. So I got this new lip gloss. It's like the Plump It lip gloss. It's supposed to make your lips like really plump. There's nothing coming out. Ooh, okay. Whew. It says you will instantly feel a warm tingling sensation and the blood flow increases to your lip. This is not a small tingling sensation. This is like fire sensation on my lips. Do you guys see that? Where did that come from? Did I have that on my finger or something? Man, this really burns. Within 5 minutes, they're supposed to be plump. So we're just gonna continue and we're gonna see how it looks in 5 minutes. Anywho, you guys, so to create this halo eye, what you need is you need to have some shadow on the outer part of your eye and also on the inner corner. Okay, so I will be going in with the color Soothe, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna place this at the inner corner of my eye. And you just want to fade this out. So make it really dark here. If you're the type of person who feels like it's gonna look weird if you actually place like really dark color here and really dark color there, you could always put a little bit of a lighter shade here and a little bit of a darker shade here to like create the halo effect. Taking another color, I'm going into the color Ritual, this one right here. I'm going to place this at the outer part of my eye. And because this is the same color that we used before, we can just connect it with our crease. Now going in with my blending brush that I've used to blend pretty much everything on this look, I am just blending this in to my crease. You want to blend this in circular motions and just going into the crease to connect it. No additional color needed. You really want to blend this so you really get all the harsh lines out of there and just make this look like it's just flowing together. Get what I mean? You just want it to make like a really soft edges. Ah! Ugh! I got it in my mouth. That was disgusting. The lip plumping thing I used before, it was not good. Like my lips stopped burning after a while, but now my tongue is like, oh. Do you think my lips look more plump? I think for sure they look a little bit more plump, a little bit more pink at least, so there's a little bit more life in them, which I like. But moving on, to make this look pop, like really pop and really make our eyes look so seductive, you want to go in and you want to go in with something really bright and add it to the naked part in the middle of our eye. And for that, I'm going in with oopsie. I'm going in with the metallics in this palette, and for this look, because it is already quite dark, I think that maybe like this copper tone right here, I'm gonna go in with that as my base, and then I'm gonna go in with like a glitter in the middle and just see how it looks. So you just want to place this in the middle like this. This is so darn beautiful. Don't worry about feathering the edges right now, just place it there, and we're gonna move on to our next step, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do then. I really need to zoom in and just check how it looks. It is so pretty. It just looks like I have gold on my eyes. It looks so pretty. I can't even. I actually felt like I wanted a little bit more brightness to it. So I'm just gonna go in, and I'm gonna go in with the color Soothe Metallic. And I just feel like that is gonna add a little bit lighter sheen to it. Maybe, who knows, maybe I have to go into the aura. Well, let me just see. And you just wanna dab this as well on top. And I felt like that just lighted it up a little bit more, but it just diffuses it. It diffuses it just the right way. So you can see it just became like a little bit lighter, but not a lot. You can really decide here how much lighter you want it. This is just how I like it. Dropped it on the floor. So what you want to do is you just want to grab the brush you've been using to blend everything together, and you just really want to soften the edges. So make sure that you go outward, inwards. You're gonna get the glitter all over the matte part if you don't do this, which I already did because I always mess up. It's just my nature. But now, ladies and gents, we are going into the glitter. And I'm going into this color right here, which is the Aura glitter. And I'm just dabbing it on my finger, like really lightly. You see that? This is gonna make my eyes pop. So you just wanna grab this with your finger, and you really gently just wanna press it in the middle. Look at that spark. You can just see, bam, 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 bam. I look like a glitter queen. And just fade this out using your finger, like really dab it lightly and just go outwards. And then again, if you mess it up, go back in with a brush and just dab. Next up, we are going in with our eyeliner. I am using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, and I'm just gonna line my eye. Did you see that? It's not going anywhere. It's gonna stay there for the rest of my life. Next up, we are going in with our mascara, and I'm using the Punk Volumizer mascara from DOUCCE. So this is a new mascara that I haven't really tried before, or I have tried it, but I'm testing it out to see if it's actually doing me any good or if it's just like pretending to be good. We are moving in with lashes, and because this is a quite glam look, I am using super fluffy lashes. Beep, beep. These are Mink 3D hairs, so they're fox, but they're really, really big. They're not natural whatsoever. So my lash is done, and if you want to go in, and highlight your face now, then make sure to do that now before we do our waterline. And I actually like to use a eyeshadow blending brush for this step, because for me, I know beauty blenders are amazing, but I just think that they're not as precise, and I like it when they are precise because I really want to get underneath my eye. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna grab this color right here, which is the Ritual Matte, and I'm grabbing quite a lot of it. You just want to go in underneath your eye and smudge it. Go really tightly to your waterline. You just see how that just completes the look if you just use something underneath the eye. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna sculpt my face using my GIGI Beauty Sculpt Bronzer Duo. I've really been loving the GIGI Gorgeous Bronzing Sculpting Powder. I think it just slides on really pretty, and it just creates the most seamless finish. It's just like the shadow is so pretty. It's really good. And for blush, I'm going in with my ColourPop blush stick. This is like a duo I got when I bought a kit, and this is the color Pretty Thing. And I love to just add a little bit to the ass, I almost say, to my beauty blender, like the butt of it. I'll just add it like this, and then I'll just stamp it on. This is really strong, so be careful with it. Like seriously, there is nothing hiding that glitter. Can you see that? Here we go. Becomes like a really southern shade, but it's really pretty. It just creates something extra, like a pop of color. I look like Snow White, but I'm not snowy white for the first time in my life. And for my highlighter, I am using the JOLII Cosmetics highlighter. I think it's really pretty, and I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just stamping it at the bottom of my beauty blender, and I always like to try it on my hand first to see if it, like, how much it releases. I just dab this on, I get like the prettiest sheen. Just a little bit of a lightening effect. I really enjoy the fact that it looks like a lipstick, so it's like really convenient to just bring with you if you're the highlighting kind of person and you want to touch it up throughout the day. And then just using a loose powder, I'm just setting the center part of my face, I was gonna say, because my T-zone, because I tend to be really oily there, so I just like to touch it up a little and blend together all the powders I've just used. And because I really want the focus to be on my eyes, I don't really want there to be a lot of focus on my lips. What I will do now is I will just add some lip pencils. So I will be using the nude sticks in the color Mystique. And with this, I will just be outlining the outer part on my lips and then just fade it in. And then I will top it off using the lip gloss from Dr. Lip in the color Tint with Sweet Potato Pigment, so the pink one. And that's just to create a little bit more of a glossy effect. Lastly, I'm just gonna add some setting spray, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Okay guys, so that was pretty much the finished look. I guess you could say that my favorite part of this entire look is, of course, the eyes, because the eyes are just like, they're popping, they're so pretty, and I just love the sparkles. I think it turned out really beautifully. And the Tati Beauty palette, it didn't disappoint. It like is so pretty. It has the most stunning colors. I just love the shade. I love the glitter. I think the glitter is stunning. It is like one of those palettes that everybody needs. And the halo effects, I love it. I just think it's absolutely stunning. It is just pretty. But that was pretty much everything I have for today, so I really hope that you enjoyed this look, and if you did, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know which part of the look that is your favorite, and if you think maybe I should have done something else, like if I should have used another glitter, or if I should have used if I should have skipped the glitter, just let me know your thoughts on this look. It would be very interesting to hear. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure that you do that now. And I hope I get to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.